everyone, I have a new journal I wanted to share with you today. It's an undecorated journal with a tin filled with some ephemera, and so I wanted to flip through all of this for you. This was pre-ordered and now it is ready to send off to the lovely lady who reserved it. So what I did with the cover is I created sort of a layered look. I have these really vintage book covers, and sometimes the spines are just not usable, or they're just a little too discolored and torn to do anything substantial with them. So I like to make sure that I use the cover in a way where it can be highlighted. So here what I did was I simply used the front cover of this book, and I also layered a lovely crocheted doily. And the base book is a beautiful red, and it goes really well with the printables and papers that I used inside. Now before we go inside, I just want to show you that what I added on the closure is one of these key fairies, and I have a video. These are a few years old. I made a bunch of them with watch parts and keys and these butterfly metal wings. So I added this charm to the closure. So the theme is basically fairies because I used Miss Lady Faye, the 2022 new add-on collection. The original Miss Lady Faye came out in 2014, and I've always wanted to revisit that one, and I finally took the time to sort of give it a reboot. So this is Miss Lady Faye number 3. So there's no embellishing on the inside of this book other than just the odd piece of vintage tape throughout. The inside cover here is from a dust jacket from another book, and I really love the green color. All the paper has been coffee dyed. Baby the parrot is being a good boy right now. He's over on a perch in the window. He's had his breakfast, so now he's content. So we'll see if that lasts through this video. I have 3 signatures in here, and I would say less than a dozen pages per signature, so that there's room for the journal to expand and grow if she wants to decorate it. And this is the back dust cover. And then I've got a little tin of ephemera. First I made a pin cushion, and it's made with little fabric hexagons. And these hexagons are from a charm pack, so they all coordinate. Just some really pretty fabrics. And then these little hat pins. I have charms, so I thought I would make these to put on top. Over here I have a very old button card and little bottle cap photo, and there's some crackle, what's this stuff called? It is crackle accents. This is a pressed fuchsia from my garden, and then it was put through the laminator. So yeah, this could be embellished, or you could even add your own buttons onto this. Then here I just have a banknote on this seam binding packaging. Just very vintage looking stuff. Here we have a fairy paper doll, and I just sort of sat her on the button card. And then there's some old postcards. Some of these are very old. This is 1911. Old radio card. A birthday postcard. 1914. This here is Josephine, Napoleon's Josephine. Another old postcard. This is from a very old photo album. And then we have a few envelopes. So this is a first day cover from the 80s. And I chose it because of the Luna moth on the stamp. And in here I've got some little cards of steampunk fairies. These are in my Etsy shop. This one here is from the 70s. And I've got the jars with moths. And then this one here has some really beautiful design on it. This is from the 60s, 1969. And in this one I've got these little butterfly shapes that you can fussy cut. And then I got some of these mushrooms out of a mushroom book. And these are also nice to add to your pages and do some collage. So that is what I wanted to show you for today. I hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!